Hello everyone, welcome back to the Database Basics tutorial series. In this video, we will learn about view in SQL. In SQL, views are virtual tables that represent the result of a query. They are not stored as actual tables with data, but are generated dynamically when accessed. So when you use in view, you will get some benefits like simplification of complex queries. Views allow you to encapsulate complex queries into a single virtual table. This means that instead of writing a complicated SQL query multiple times, you can define it once as a view, and then simplify query in the view as if it were a table. View can be used to hide the complexity of the underlying database scheme. You can expose only specific columns or rows of a table through a view, providing a simplified interface to the data. So, view can act as a security mechanism. By granting access to views rather than the underlying tables, you can control what the data users can see or modify. And something in performance optimization. In some cases, views can be used to optimize query performance, especially if the data supports materialized views, which store the view's results set as physical table for faster access. Now we will practice with the view with some basic statement like create view, query on the view, or drop the view. Okay, now we will go through the syntax of create a view. It's also very easy. Write create view keyword, and then you put the view name, then you put the as keyword. After the as keyword, you put a query, select columns, some column you want to show, then the table you want to get data. Table name. Very easy, right? Now we will try to we will try to create a view that show the name and the department name by select the employees and the departments table with the zone. Okay, we will put the view name here by employee view, and then you select the name and the department name from the employee table. You join to the department table to get the department name column on the reference key. That is the employee department ID equal department and department ID. Alright, let's create the view. Okay, the view is already exists because I create this in I already created before I show you this statement. So by the way, we can learn about the drop view statement. Drop view if exists the employee views, and then you can create the views with the name employees view like this, and click run it. Okay, after successful, you can on the MySQL Workbench, on the left panel, you can choose the tab schema. Okay, and then you can right click and click refresh on. Then you can expand the view and see the employees view that you already created. And you can right click and select the row. So now another query sheet will appear, and you can see the result here. Okay, and here you can see the statement, the query statement that show the view like this. Very easy. It's similar with the query from the table, right? Okay, you can put the select on from the employees views like this. Very similar with the query with a table. And let's run it. Okay, you can see the result from the view. Okay, I think that's all for this video. Thank you, and see you in the next video.